Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss a new concept, business analytics. All of you may be heard about data, information and knowledge. You may be also familiar with different types of data and its management. So here I would like to discuss about the impact of information technology in business. A 5-minute discussion, okay? That is a new concept about business analytics. Before moving into business analytics, I would like to explain what is business intelligence. All of us know that decision making is one of the important functions of organization. That is, we have to employ sophisticated tools to assist in decision making, especially in a complex and information overload environment. Business intelligence is one such tool that help organization in analyzing information and taking effective business decisions. It involves numerous activities such as identifying, collecting, extracting, cleaning and analyzing data. It also helps the organization for the optimum use of resources and performance improvement and do predictive analysis. Presently, BI, that is business intelligence, implemented in various types of industries such as retailing, marketing, manufacturing, insurance, healthcare, clinical research, sports, defense, weather and agriculture. Okay, most of the BI tools are available in the form of ready-to-use software such as MicroStrategy, etc. Data for BI can be collected from different sources such as point of sale, web stores, inventory, call center, social media and mobile data. We can say BI is the art of making decisions based on information, knowledge and experience. Okay, then what is business analytics? That is BA. It is a group of techniques and applications for storing, analyzing and making data accessible to help users take better strategic decisions. So, business analytics is a subset of business intelligence. BA, that is business analytics, can be segregated into many branches on the basis of organizational domains such as financial service analytics, fraud analytics, healthcare analytics, marketing analytics, retail sales analytics, pricing analytics and supply chain analytics. Here I would like to explain some additional points, that is types of business analytics. Practically there are 4 types of business analytics. Firstly, descriptive analytics. Second, diagnostic analytics. Thirdly, predictive analytics. And fourth, prescriptive analytics. Let's discuss descriptive analytics. Just one striking sentence is enough to understand this concept, okay? So descriptive analytics refers what is happening or what happened type analytics. Just recall the type of research we have studied. The first one is descriptive research, right? Descriptive research what? It is the description of facts. It is the description of what has happened. Here also the same meaning is applicable. Second one is diagnostic analytics. It refers to the analysis of the past figures and facts to derive about what happened and why it is happened. Here importance goes to why aspect. Third one is predictive analytics. What happens here? It tries to forecast on the basis of previous data and scenarios. And fourth one is prescriptive analytics. It guides you about the actions you should take. This is the most essential analysis and it forms the standards and recommendations for the next phase. Just like a doctor prescribes medicines to the patient after researching, studying, evaluating and diagnosing the cause of the problem of the patient. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.